Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and launching Ryzen Controller. Make sure you run it as administrator so settings apply system-wide. Once done, close any GPU or CPU tuning utilities that conflict, because they can override profiles. You then select the target process or system mode to control. This tells RC where to apply curves. Make sure to enable profile saving and backup your default values. That prevents accidental lock-in and gives you a restore point if a change destabilizes your machine. You now build the actual curves and profiles. Start with small clock increments, 25 to 50 MHz, and apply them per core so you can isolate stability. Once applied, test with a short benchmark or workload to observe behavior. This verifies gains without risking crashes. If temperatures climb, reduce voltage in 0.05 to 0.1 steps or flatten high-core clocks. Then save each configuration as a named profile. Assign hotkeys and explain why. Quick switching prevents repeated manual tuning and keeps performance predictable. You finish by validating stability with an extended stress test. Run at least 30 minutes under the profile to confirm thermals and performance. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, revert immediately to your saved backup profile and reduce the most recent voltage or clock change. Make sure to clear conflicts by disabling other tuning tools and update chipset drivers and BIOS. These fixes resolve many odd behaviors. If problems persist, restore Windows Power Plan defaults and test again. This isolates software-level interference from Ryzen controller settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.